At the core of Markarian 501, astronomers have discovered two supermassive black holes, each millions of times the mass of our Sun, locked in a gravitational dance that will end in a cataclysmic collision within the next century, a rare universe-shaking event that will unleash gravitational waves and test the limits of our understanding of physics. The mystery began with the discovery of two distinct jets of matter streaming from Markarian 501's core, an unprecedented sight that immediately captured the attention of astronomers worldwide. For decades, scientists had observed powerful jets erupting from the centers of galaxies, but always as a single, focused stream. The presence of two separate jets, each blazing out in its own direction, was something entirely new. Something that defied conventional understanding of how galaxies and their central engines operate. Each jet, powered by its own supermassive black hole, signaled a binary system at the galaxy's heart. This was not just a rare configuration, it was a cosmic revelation. The idea that two supermassive black holes could coexist so closely, each fueling its own jet, suggested a dynamic and violent history for Markarian 501. Using radio telescopes, astronomers confirmed the jet's unique orientations and shifting alignments, evidence of two titanic objects orbiting each other. The data revealed subtle changes in the direction and intensity of the jets over time, a cosmic dance choreographed by the gravitational pull of two massive bodies locked in orbit. These observations required years of patient monitoring and the combined efforts of observatories across the globe. Dr. Silke Britzen, a lead astronomer, described the moment as a challenge to everything we thought we knew about galaxy cores. She and her team realized they were witnessing a phenomenon that could rewrite textbooks, a binary black hole system in the final stages before merging, something theorized, but never so clearly observed. The presence of two jets, each with its own accretion disk, revealed a cosmic waltz of unimaginable energy. As the black holes spiral closer, their immense gravitational forces twist and shape the surrounding matter, launching jets of particles at nearly the speed of light. The energy released in this process is so intense that it outshines entire galaxies, making Markarian 501 a beacon visible across the universe. These black holes, millions of solar masses each, are bound together, their jets a visible signature of their power. The gravitational forces at play are almost beyond comprehension, warping space and time itself. The jets twisting and precessing as the black holes orbit provide a rare glimpse into the mechanics of these cosmic giants. The discovery raises profound questions that reach to the heart of how galaxies grow and evolve. What does it take for two supermassive black holes to find each other in the vastness of space? How do they survive the chaos of a galactic merger? And what happens as they spiral ever closer together? How did these black holes come so close? The answer likely lies in the violent history of Markarian 501, a history marked by collisions and mergers with other galaxies, each event bringing their central black holes closer together in a slow, inevitable dance. What galactic events led to this death spiral? Astronomers believe that over millions of years, gravitational interactions and the friction of swirling gas and stars have drawn the black holes together, setting the stage for their final spectacular union. Such systems are fleeting, the final duet before a merger. Catching one in the act is like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack. The time scale for this phase is incredibly short in cosmic terms, making this discovery not just rare, but almost miraculous. Markarian 501's binary is a window into the most extreme physics the universe can offer. It allows scientists to test theories of gravity, black hole dynamics, and the behavior of matter under the most extreme conditions imaginable. For astronomers, witnessing this event is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It's a chance to observe the universe at its most dramatic, to gather data that could unlock secrets about the origins and fate of galaxies themselves. We are living at the right time to observe one of nature's most violent finales, a cosmic spectacle that reminds us how much there is still to discover, and how every new observation can change our understanding of the universe forever. The black holes in Markarian 501 orbit each other every 121 days, an astonishingly tight embrace for objects of such mass. Imagine two cosmic titans, each millions or even billions of times more massive than our Sun, locked in a gravitational dance so close that their immense forces warp the very fabric of space and time around them. This orbital period is incredibly short for such massive objects, hinting at a dramatic and dynamic history. Their separation is just 250 to 540 times the Earth-Sun distance, a fraction of a light year. To put that in perspective, light travels nearly 6 trillion miles in a year, but these black holes are separated by only a few hundred times the distance from Earth to our Sun. In cosmic terms, that's practically hugging. For comparison, Mercury orbits at less than 1 AU. These black holes are far closer than the edge of our solar system. If you placed them inside our solar system, their orbit would fit well within the region occupied by the Kuiper Belt, far inside the vast cloud of comets that surrounds our planetary neighborhood. Their proximity is mind-boggling when you consider the scale of the universe. Their velocities and gravitational energies are beyond anything we can create or fully comprehend. The forces at play here are so extreme that matter caught between them is accelerated to near light speed, emitting powerful jets and radiation. The space around them is a maelstrom of energy, with gravity so intense that not even light can escape if it gets too close. Theoretical models suggest such mergers should take eons, yet here, the countdown is measured in decades. Instead of waiting millions or billions of years for a collision, astronomers are witnessing a process that could reach its climax within a single century, a blink of an eye in cosmic time. This rapid approach is both thrilling and mysterious. Something unique, perhaps the galaxy's dense core or a history of mergers, has driven them together faster than expected. The environment at the heart of Markarian 501 is likely crowded with stars, gas, and dark matter, all of which can help funnel the black holes closer together. Past collisions with other galaxies may have also played a role, creating a chaotic setting that accelerates their union. This system defies expectations and may force us to rethink how galaxies evolve. The existence of such a close pair challenges our understanding of how black holes interact and merge, and suggests that the universe may be more dynamic and unpredictable than we thought. It opens new questions about the life cycles of galaxies and the fate of their central black holes. Their mutual orbit is a natural laboratory for testing Einstein's theories. As these black holes spiral closer, they generate gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime predicted by Einstein's general relativity. Observing this system gives scientists a rare chance to study these waves and test the limits of our understanding of gravity under the most extreme conditions. The final act could unfold within a single human lifetime. For the first time, astronomers may be able to witness the dramatic merger of two supermassive black holes, an event that will send shockwaves across the cosmos and forever change our view of the universe. In June 2022, astronomers observed an Einstein ring, a perfect circle of light formed as one black hole's jet passed behind the other, its light bent by intense gravity. This fleeting ring was the smoking gun, confirming two distinct black holes in a precise orbital dance. The geometry required for an Einstein ring is exact. Its presence closed the case for a binary system. By measuring the ring's shape and brightness, scientists determined the black hole's masses and orbital angle. The data matched predictions, transforming Markarian 501 into a laboratory for extreme relativity. The Einstein ring showcased the profound connection between gravity and light. For astronomers, this was a triumph. Direct, elegant proof of a supermassive binary in a death spiral. The stage was set for the final act, the merger and its cosmic consequences. The impending merger in Markarian 501 will unleash gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime itself, on a scale beyond comprehension. Imagine two titanic black holes, each millions of times more massive than our Sun, spiraling ever closer in a cosmic dance that has taken millions of years to reach its finale. As they draw near, the very fabric of the universe trembles, sending out waves that travel across billions of light years, carrying with them the story of this cataclysmic event. Supermassive black hole collisions radiate more energy in a moment than all the stars in the observable universe combined. For a brief instant, the power released dwarfs every supernova, every quasar, every other source of light and energy we know. It's as if the universe itself is ringing like a bell, the collision sending out a cosmic shockwave that will ripple through space-time for eons. Yet these waves are subtle, stretching and squeezing space by less than the width of an atom as they pass through Earth. Despite their immense power, gravitational waves are almost imperceptible by the time they reach us, requiring the most sensitive instruments ever built to detect their faint signature. It's a testament to the delicacy of the universe's workings, colossal forces, yet the gentlest of touches. Current detectors like LIGO can't catch such low-frequency waves, new instruments like pulsar timing arrays will be needed. These arrays use the steady ticking of distant pulsars, rapidly spinning neutron stars, as cosmic clocks, searching for the tiniest disruptions in their rhythm caused by passing gravitational waves. It's a new frontier in astronomy, pushing the boundaries of what we can observe and understand. What makes Markarian 501 unique is its timing, a merger poised to occur within our lifetimes. For the first time, humanity may witness such a universe-shaking event as it happens, not just as a relic from the distant past. This is a rare cosmic opportunity, a front-row seat to one of nature's most dramatic spectacles. Such events are rare, perhaps only a handful in the observable universe at any moment. The odds of witnessing one are astronomically small, making Markarian 501's impending collision a truly extraordinary occurrence. It's a reminder of how vast and dynamic the cosmos is, and how much remains hidden, waiting to be discovered. The gravitational waves will carry secrets about the black hole's masses, spins, and the structure of space-time itself. By analyzing these waves, scientists can reconstruct the final moments of the merger, unlocking details about the nature of gravity, the behavior of matter under extreme conditions, and the very shape of the universe. They may even reveal new physics, challenging Einstein's theory. If the waves deviate from what general relativity predicts, it could point to new forces or dimensions, or even hint at the quantum nature of gravity, a mystery that has eluded scientists for generations. This is not just a spectacle, but a probe into the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. Each gravitational wave is a messenger from the most extreme environments, offering clues about the origins and fate of the universe itself. Markarian 501's collision will be a cosmic drumbeat, echoing across eons and reshaping our understanding of the universe. It's a moment when the universe speaks, and for those who listen, the secrets of existence may finally begin to unfold. The final parsec problem puzzled astrophysicists for decades. Why don't most supermassive black hole pairs merge? As black holes approach within a few light years, dynamical friction weakens and many pairs stall. Markarian 501's black holes, separated by mere hundreds of AU, have crossed this barrier. Perhaps the galaxy's dense core or repeated mergers drove them together. Markarian 501 proves that supermassive black hole mergers are not just theoretical, they're inevitable under the right conditions. Once past the final parsec, the spiral accelerates, and the time to merger shrinks to centuries or decades. This system is a living example, showing that the universe is more dynamic and more violent than we imagine. For theorists and observers, it's a chance to test models and prepare for the final plunge. Markarian 501's impending merger is unique among known black hole collisions. LIGO and Virgo have detected dozens of stellar mass black hole mergers, but none approach the scale of Markarian 501's supermassive pair. Most supermassive mergers are too distant or shrouded to observe directly. Markarian 501 stands out for its proximity, timescale, and clear evidence: jets, orbits, and the Einstein ring. It's the best candidate for observing a supermassive black hole merger in action. This event will test our instruments and theories, challenging our understanding of gravity and galaxy evolution. For astronomers, it's a reminder that the universe is alive with wonders, waiting to be discovered. Markarian 501 offers humanity a front-row seat to a cosmic drama, a supermassive black hole collision that will literally shake space-time. We stand at the threshold of discovery, closer than ever to witnessing one of the universe's most awe-inspiring events.